Hi guys, we are the Love and Life Riding. Subscribe to our channel for more adventures and more fun. 1, 2, 3. Join us in our adventure discovering the Polylimnio Waterfalls in the Peloponnese of Greece.
You getting a good shot? Oh yeah. Cheese!
Cheese.
Look at me, you get a picture of me? Meow.
You're a rainbow. Your face was. Now let me do your teeth. What teeth is it? Yeah.
Whoa! Let me see what you look like with it.
Check me out.
Let me check you out, okay? Stop moving. Ready? You sit still. I'll get you. Good job, guys. Tarzan! Here, I'm gonna get a...
Do you want to get in there?
Yeah. I need Dad.
I'll help you in.
You got mommy. Mommy will get you in there, boy.
Here, I'll walk in with you.
Oh, you going in? Brr!
You're not going to go in right there?
I said, after I get so many gorillas.
After you get so many
Ready?
gorilla?
You do a gorilla?
Like this.
Okay, okay.
Careful,
Be
careful.
easy, okay?
Right there. Okay.
Gorilla! All right, I want you to go, oh, 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 oh. All right, you ready? And go. Hi. All right. All right, Samantha. Good job, Olga. Really? Whoa, man, this one's big, huh? Look at all the fish in there in the water, buddy. There's a big giant rock. keep it going. Follow mommy. Good job, Baba. Look at these steps. They look cute. Hello. Yeah. Like a shirt. Good job, buddy. Whoa! Good job, mommy. Minerals. Keep it moving then, Stinky.
We just have to look after you.
All right.
I found one of the flowers.
Yeah, you did. Here, let's go this way. Ready? Jump! Good job. Okay, hold on. Wait. All right. All right, hold on. Give me your hand. Okay. Jump! Hui! All right, climb. Be easy. Yeah, one sec. Be easy. It's gonna be slippery, okay? We're gonna go up this way, okay? You climb up this way. Thank you. Whoa.
Good climbing.
Look at this. You need a step to get up and over.
Oh, that's cool.
That's funny. That's really funny.
Just like we can't just do that.
Right?
There's another one.
There's another one, buddy.
Yeah.
All right, careful. Here. Whoa! You slipped right on your butt. What's going on, guys? He's on an adventure. He's on a mission. Mission Man. You've heard of the Michelin Man? Well, this is the Mission Man.
All right, buddy, you're doing great.
Good job, pal.
No, I'm missing.
All right, Mission Man. Good job, Mission Man. Hello. Wow, buddy, look at this one.
Wow.
Wow. Wow, man.
So cool.
So many waterfalls, yeah.
Like a pool up there, probably. Then.
Hold on, buddy. go over here and check it out real quick, okay?
Yeah. The rainbow.
This is the one?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, look at it coming down over there.
Wow, that's gotta be the top.
That's the
That's
top.
the one in the picture, yeah.
Yeah. Buddy, do you want to go all the way to the top? No, it's a crazy easy
Like, I
hike.
started reading it and people were saying, like, really difficult, like, to get to the top rate. I'm like, saying, like, don't do like what I said.
Well, they've got, you know, they have steps and anchors and stuff. And
Yeah, everywhere.
metal, you know, I don't even know what's like holds. It's like all you gotta do is climb over a rock. Wow, buddy, look at this, man.
That's the one. That's another way.
Yeah, it is. Buddy, how beautiful. Isn't that beautiful?
It's amazing, huh? All right. Hey.
Are approaching the main lake of the Polylimnio Waterfalls. All of the lakes and waterfalls here are so incredible. Polylimnio means many lakes. This is one of the most beautiful oases we have ever experienced. Keep watching to see Kenny climb the side of the cliff and do a flip right into the main lake. Please subscribe, guys. We really enjoy making content like this and want to continue to do so. We love life, we live it. We can't wait for the next adventure.
Woohoo!
I love you, Daddy!
Oh, it looks so cool. That's awesome.
All right, my man, here we go, okay? Oh, turn around, turn around, turn around. See this rope? You can hold this rope too.
We're hanging at the main waterfall
Grab
and
one
we
of
kept
these.
noticing that there's a lot of people just continuing to climb up. So we decided to explore ourselves and see where it took us.
Okay, you go this way, but you hold this hand, okay? right, my man. All right, my man.
Crushing it, bub.
This is a cliff. Look at that. The big old cliff drop over there, okay? Good job, good job, good job. Good job, good job, good job. Okay?
All right, buddy.
Good job, my man. Good job, my man. Yep, hold that rope. I know you can do this by yourself. I just want to know that I got you, okay?
In case there's any slippage.
Good job, good job. Good job, mister.
What the heck?
Come on, up, up.
You got it.
Okay, hold on, okay?
Yeah, to the right.
As you can see, little man is just running up this climb. He is absolutely loving it, and so are we. But we're also starting to get a little scared because of having him, that there's just a sheer cliff drop-off right next to us. So we decided for this next upcoming part that we kind of turn the camera off and use our hands, both hands for both of us, to help maneuver the little man across and get to the next spot because he really didn't want to stop. Even more lakes and waterfalls greeted us at the top of this climb. It was super sketchy, but also super fun. We had a great time, and we're super happy we made it up here because little did we know that the path continues through the waterfall, through the very top waterfall. Yep, you heard me right. You walk and climb up a waterfall. It is so cool.
Good job, guys.
Didn't know at the time, but the very top of that staircase is pretty much the end of the trail. It looks like you can come in from another way and it leads you down this way, which is pretty cool as well.
Yeah! Angel baby!
Thank you so much, everybody, for joining us on our Polylimnio waterfall adventure. Check back next weekend for more.